welcome muggles and wizards alike. Join us as we uncover the real-life film locations that served as a backdrop for some of the most iconic moments in the world of Harry Potter. From platform 9 3/4 at King's Cross to the charming streets of Diagon Alley, get ready to be spellbound by the enchantment of Harry Potter's London. Leadenhall Market is a historic and visually stunning covered market located in London. Dating back to the 14th century, it boasts beautiful Victorian architecture, intricate ironwork, and picturesque cobblestone walkways. Leadenhall Market is a real-life location in London that was used as a setting for Diagon Alley in the Harry Potter films. As you stroll through this charming Victorian market, you'll feel like you've stepped into the very streets that Harry and his friends explored on their way to Hogwarts. This is a must visit for any Potter fan. Millennium Bridge, also called the Wobbly Bridge, is a suspension footbridge connecting St Paul's Cathedral to the Tate Modern Art Gallery. It gained fame when it appeared in the movie Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince, where it was destroyed by Death Eaters. While it's not actually destroyed in real life, it's a popular spot for tourists and Potter fans alike. You can have fun safely walking on it. Australia House is an iconic building located in London. The grand and imposing interior of Australia House was transformed into Gringotts Bank, where Harry, Ron and Hermione broke into Bellatrix Lestrange's vault in Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 2. As this is the home of Australian High Commission, it is not open to the public unless you have reason to visit. St Paul's Cathedral is a magnificent cathedral in the heart of London, known for its beautiful dome that offers breathtaking views of the city. It made a notable appearance in the Harry Potter films during the scenes in which Harry and his friends fly over London on broomsticks in Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix. The cathedral's majestic spiral staircase appears in Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. This was the staircase students used to go to Professor Trelawney's divination classroom. For its mouth-watering foods in real life, Borough Market takes on a different role in the world of Harry Potter. In The Prisoner of Azkaban, it serves as the entrance to the Leaky Cauldron and has become a popular stop on Harry Potter-themed tours. Station, famous for its magical platform 9 3/4, where young witches and wizards catch a Hogwarts Express, is a place where even muggles can't resist a chuckle. Today, King's Cross Station wholeheartedly embraces its wizarding ties with a dedicated photo spot featuring a luggage trolley that seems to magically vanish through the wall. It's a must visit for Harry Potter fans eager to reenact the comical dash and snap a prized picture. And don't forget the merchandise shop! It's a perfect place to grab some wizard-worthy souvenirs to keep the laughs and memories alive long after you visit. Right next door to platform 9 3/4, you'll discover St Pancras International with its stunning neo-Gothic facade. This location holds a special place in the hearts of Harry Potter fans, as it's where the Weasleys' enchanted Ford Anglia takes off in Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. In Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, Harry pays a visit to this very place during a school trip, and he'd accidentally set a Burmese python free by speaking Parseltongue, the language of snakes. So, when you visit, remember to keep an eye on the reptiles. You might just witness a magical conversation. Westminster Tube Station is where Harry Potter and the Weasleys head to the Ministry of Magic in Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix. And just like many first-time Muggle travellers on the London Underground, poor Mr. Weasley had his struggles with the barriers on his way out. Travelling in the wizarding world isn't always a breeze, even for experienced wizards. The corner spot at Scotland Place may indeed look familiar to you. In Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix, this location is where Harry enters a magical 62442 combination into a red phone box to access the Ministry of Magic. However, the red phone box in the film was set property, and there isn't an actual red phone box to enter the Ministry of Magic. So sad. Do you recall that thrilling and comical moment from Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban? It's the unforgettable scene where the night bus, racing at high speed, expertly maneuvers between two oncoming double-decker buses. This scene was filmed on Lambeth Bridge, which links Vauxhall and Westminster in London. Yet another charming bridge over the River Thames, the Blackfriars Bridge made a notable appearance in Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix. You can spot it in the scene where the Order of the Phoenix members pass underneath it during the flight from number 4 Privet Drive. Harry Potter and the Cursed Child is like a magical family reunion set 19 years after the original series, with Harry Potter's son, Albus Severus, taking centre stage. This stage play, born from the brilliant minds of J.K. Rowling and her team, has brought a touch of wizardry and laughter to audiences worldwide. It is currently running at the Palace Theatre. Just a 1-minute stroll from the Palace Theatre on Charing Cross Road, you'll stumble upon the enchanting House of Spells. The ground floor is a haven for Harry Potter memorabilia for fans to explore and collect. While you do your virtual shopping, don't forget that if you haven't already, you can check out our previous video, Harry Potter and Edinburgh, which explores the birthplace of this epic saga. We hope you'll enjoy it as much as we did creating it. The link can be found in the video description. With its topsy-turvy buildings, crooked houses, and windows that seem to have a mind of their own, this place is like stepping right into Diagon Alley itself. It's a must visit, even if just to catch a glimpse of the real-life street lanterns and darkly painted facades that inspired the props in the Harry Potter films. And if that's not enchanting enough, the Goodwin's Court Tunnel is so eerily similar to the actual film set that you might get a chill down your spine, half expecting Bellatrix Lestrange or Lucius Malfoy to appear in the dead of night. Just off Charing Cross Road, you'll stumble upon Cecil Court, a quaint lane that's like Diagon Alley's quirky cousin. It's a one-block wonderland with charming Victorian-style shops that might have even whispered some inspiration to J.K. Rowling. Here you can find everything from rare books to vintage stamps, old maps, and even signed Harry Potter copies at Marchpane, the neighbourhood's own treasure trove for wizards and muggles alike. The opening chapter of Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince unfolds at 10 Downing Street, the official residence of the UK's Prime Minister. In the wizarding world, it plays a similar role, serving as a place where the Prime Minister can occasionally converse with the Minister of Magic. What you can see are stock pictures, but the reality is that due to security measures, the public can only approach up to these gates unless they hold a diplomatic status or are a politician. Mina and Eduardo Lima, collectively known as Mina Lima, are the talented graphic designers behind the visual magic of the Harry Potter film series. They crafted the style, graphics, and most of the props, contributing significantly to the wizarding world's look. Following the conclusion of the beloved film franchise, they launched the House of Mina Lima, a charming boutique that serves as a haven for dedicated Potterheads. You will discover a wealth of graphic art from the wizarding world, featuring prints, books, and a delightful array of other Potter-themed treasures. It's like a magical thrift shop for every Harry Potter fan exploring London, ensuring that everyone can find an authentic gem to cherish. Twist of fate, Trafalgar Square also played host to the final movie premiere, where stars like Daniel Radcliffe, Rupert Grint, Emma Watson, and even J.K. Rowling herself stood on stage. It was a moment when the wizarding world and the real world collided, and fans got to see their beloved characters in the flesh, right in the heart of London's bustling square. Die-hard Harry Potter fans among us, there's a cafe that played a role in the Deathly Hallows Part 1, where Harry, Hermione, and Ron find themselves under attack by a group of Death Eaters. You won't need a Marauder's map to find it. Just look for the corner of the street, nestled between a towering billboard and a scaffolded building. Just a friendly reminder, always keep your wand handy. You never know when you might need a little magic. All you die-hard Potterheads out there, the ultimate pilgrimage is a Warner Brothers studio tour. It offers a permanent exhibition featuring authentic costumes, props, and sets straight from the film productions. Now, we don't want to be the Dobby of your excitement, but we have some pictures to tease your wizarding senses. Alright, truth be told, we didn't snag tickets when we filmed this episode, so we're sharing some snapshots from our earlier visit a few years back. But hold on to your sorting hats, because this place is no secret. It's so popular that booking well in advance is practically a spell you need to master, sometimes even a couple of months before. So get those broomsticks ready and plan ahead for your magical adventure. Thank you, lovely viewers, for joining us on this magical journey. If you enjoyed this video, wave your virtual magical wands and give us a thumbs up. Share the enchantment with your fellow witches and wizards and leave a charming comment below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating adventures. Until next time, see you in the wizarding world!